The holidays are just around the corner, and I have some great gift ideas, or you can always just get them for yourself. I seem to do that a lot this time of year. First up, Pacas. Crafted from the Earth's most versatile fiber, Pacas' line of socks for men, women, and children are made from alpaca fleece. Not only is it unbelievably soft, rivaling the luxury of cashmere, but it's also 5 times warmer than wool, hypoallergenic, thermo-regulating, and moisture-wicking. These are great for anyone on your list and a great stocking stuffer, if I may say so myself. For more style, go to pacas.com or find them on Instagram at Alpaca Socks. I don't know about you, but I love a good Christmas book, and Calvin the Christmas Tree by Stephen Bowling is a beautifully illustrated Christmas book that will make the perfect holiday gift for the little ones on your list. Stephen G. Bowling was inspired to write Calvin the Christmas Tree one Christmas after he picked up the very last tree, a small, unattractive one, at an abandoned Christmas tree stand on Christmas Eve. Readers will enjoy following Calvin the Christmas Tree's journey from being unwanted to becoming a shining star for a loving family. This charming story teaches encouragement, confidence, and will have readers excited to beat all odds. This book is sure to be the next classic family Christmas story for your family and an inspirational journey to happiness. To get your copy, go to StephenGBowling.com. Now for something all my pet parents like me will enjoy this holiday and all year long. The Conair Propet GoodBone Treat Maker by Babyliss. Treat your furry family members to delicious home-baked biscuits with the Conair Propet GoodBone Treat Maker. Simply select a custom Cuisinart recipe, mix up the batter, and pour it onto the non-stick plate for quick treats. This unit makes 6 bone-shaped treats, pawfect for pets of all sizes. This is such a great idea for pet parents that the Conair Propet GoodBone Treat Maker has been featured in Oprah's 2023 Pets edition of the O List. I will be making some treats and gifting them from my little Josie to her fur friends. Go to babylistpro.com and look for the pet link, then hit lifestyle. Bon appetit! And lastly, Colorado can have some really cold weather in the winter, but thanks to ActionHeat Apparel and Accessories, I have you covered. Their apparel is perfect for those who work outdoor or enjoy winter sports like skiing, camping, maybe even going to a football game. Their advanced heated clothing combines innovative technology with comfort, ensuring you stay cozy in the harshest conditions. A few of my personal favorites are their heated beanies, vests, jackets, and gloves. So embrace the cold, conquer the outdoors, and experience warmth like never before with Action Heat. Check out all these products and more at actionheat.com. If you want more ideas or missed anything I featured, just go to dawnscorner.com. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday, and I will see you next year.
We'll learn more about super shopper Dawn McCarthy and connect with all kinds of new products like the ones you just saw right here. Get them in time for Christmas. Go to dawnscorner.com. And of course, it is time for Gobs Up giveaways, and you can enter to win a collection of the items Dawn McCarthy just showed us. I like this assortment. It's a little something for everyone, even for the furry friends you have at home. They're going to love this. If you want to win this gift bundle, here is how to do so. Send me an email to mycoco@9news.com with the word gift in that subject line. The winner will be chosen at random, and we'll contact you later on today. Good luck, everyone. We'll be right back.